and welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. On Thursday, the former Chief Minister, Luis Infalero, has urged Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant to lead an all-party delegation to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi against the recently enacted Major Ports Authorities Act 2021. The former Chief Minister and the Congress MLA said that this would render at least 10 to 12 state laws in Goa redundant. He highlighted that if this act is passed, Goans would not be having any rights over their own lands or will have to be under the MPT. Luisin also called upon Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant to lead an all-party delegation to meet Prime Minister to press the need to repeal the Major Ports Authorities Act 2021. On the other hand, the Ports Authority will have full control over all authorities in its jurisdiction.
To all the three members of parliament, immediately they have to explain to the Goans what is their role, and if they have no role, they have to immediately get this act cancelled. We don't want an act where our panchayat will have to go to Delhi, where our municipalities will have to go to Delhi, or where they will decide without even consulting the local self-government, without consulting the this, as it is replied by the our own minister, Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Kavrekar. Because it undermines our state, it undermines our identity, it undermines our character. We are not second-class citizens. Ami Goenka, Ami Garas Bhumiputra. Yes, I'm going to Bhumiputra. No, Ami Bhumiputra. In the interest of our state. This is my first demand. And convene special meetings and oppose this draconian law which has potential of usurping the powers of the local authorities. I also call upon the state government, and more particularly our own Union Minister of State and our Chief Minister, if necessary, if they feel they are impotent, not important, impotent, and they cannot do anything, to have an all-party delegation to the Prime Minister and to press the need to repeal this act which will otherwise destroy Goa and its landscape. Thank you. I have written most of the things in detail so that you can quote it.
या कायद्यान कितें लुकसाण जातले गोयचे ते मातशें सांग.
कायदेच ना जातले, and that is one. Redundancy of the Goa Town and Country Planning Act. एक जाले. The regional plans दोन जाली. ODPs तीन जाली. And all these acts which are prepared under Goa Municipalities Act चार झाले. Goa Panchayati Raj Act पांच झाले. Goa Land Development and Building Construction Regulation 6 झाले. Goa Land Revenue Code 7 झाले. In respect of areas which fall under the port limits, and virtually full Goa falls under the port limits. It is not only the Marmagaon port, but every river. Goa is blessed by God with beautiful rivers, with beautiful landscapes. And all this people are going to take it away. This is only a summary. And this is not my apprehension. The minister who is the Minister of Town and Country Planning Department has given a reply in the Assembly on 29th of July 2021. See, Bhumiputra bill is something unthinkable. By using the word Bhumiputra bill, you are insulting and selling off the Bhumiputras of the state of Goa. Anika, I think people have already reacted violently against it.
Do you remember the bridge in Guleli Paikul area that got washed away in the recent floods? This old narrow bridge used to connect 6 villages. People living in Paiku, Sheldhada, Maingane, Sakorde, Ambeli, and Guledi used this bridge to commute. After this bridge collapsed and was washed away, villagers are forced to take a longer route from the forest area where they fear from wild animals. The authorities have promised to rebuild this bridge, but by when they have questioned.
We used to have 13 cows at our place. Now due to the broken bridge आमकां विकच्यो पडल्यो त्यो गायो आनी आतां सद्या आमच्या कडेन फक्त 2 गायो आसा. सो अरावंड 100 लिटर्स ऑफ मिल्क हांगा प्रोड्यूस जातालें आनी ग्रुपाचें पळयत जाल्यार हांगा 200 लिटर दूद प्रोड्यूस जातालें. सो आय रिक्वेस्ट टू द गव्हर्मेंट that they should think upon the building of bridge as early as possible.
हांव शिफ्टीनी आसता सो म्हाका रातचें वयचें पडटा पूण हांव असो बोंडलासून रातचो वयता म्हणून आमचो रोड सगळो तो काबार जाला. थंय म्हटल्यार सगळे गुणे येयल्ले आसा, बायकाक प्रॉब्लेम येता वयपाक हें करपाक आनी रातचें म्हटल्यार थंयच्यान काळोख सगळो कांयच कळना. अशीं जनावरां बी रातची दिसत हे तेज्या खातीर मातसो प्रॉब्लेम जाता येवपा वचपाक. आमचो जर ब्रीज जर बेगींतल्या बेगीन सारको जालो जाल्यार आमकां सगळ्या लोकांक आमकां सगळ्यांक बरें जातलें येवपा वचपाक. की अशें आमकां हे सायडीच्यान वचपाक खूब लाँग पडटा. सो मातसो ब्रीज मातसो आमचो बेगीन सारको जावपाक जाय.
आणखी रातची जनावरां आसता अशें आयकलेलें हांवें त्या रोडाक, बोळडाच्या रोडाक.
हय त्या रोडाक आसता जनावरां.
हेंच्यांनी प्लेटी घालून दिल्या गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां, पूण थंय रातचे येवपा वचपाक बरो प्रॉब्लेम जाता सातांक बीन दिल्या.
हां आनी दुसरो रोड आहा तेतूरसून बी गेल्या बी तशें.
आतां तेंच्यांनी बोंडलासून आमकां हें करून दिता म्हटल्यार, पूण तितून 2 व्हिलरी काय व्हरपाक परिस्थितीच ना कामाक वचपाक.
आनी तुमकां अशी मेडिकल इमर्जन्सी जाल्यार मागीर कितें करतले?
मेडिकल इमर्जन्सी म्हटल्यार आतां गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां एक कितें तरी 15 दिसांनी डॉक्टर तरी एक अरेंजमेंट करपाक जाय. कित्याक थोडे पेशंट डायबिटीज प्रेशराचेर कितें डॉक्टर येवपाक जाय आसलो इतलेंच.
आमी अशें बी आयकलां की तुमी रातचे वचूं शकना भायर गांवांतले आनी एक तुमकां कितें प्रॉब्लम आसा मिन्स वचपाक
म्हटल्यार सगळे वाटेक सगळे जनावरां आहा आनी रातचे तर सगळ्याक काळोख आनी सांगून म्हटल्यार ते बायलांक ते पॉसिबलूच ना वचपाक.
ओके.
हे सायडीच्यान अर्द वर मागीर चलत वचपाक जाय.
हां
पावण वर सुमार चलत वचपाक जाय.
जाल्यार मेन म्हटलें जाल्यार आमकां ब्रीज म्हटल्या कारणान दुसरो वाड ना जाली. सो सद्या आमकां बंदारो जो आसा तेचेर प्लेटी घालून प्रोविजन केल्लें आसा, पण थंयच्यान आमकां चलत वचचें पडटा. आनी जे नायटीक लोक कामाक बी आसा न्हू थंयच्यान येवपाक मातसो ते रान आसल्या कारणान थंयच्यान येवपाक तांकां मातसो रातचो प्रॉब्लेम. सेकेंड म्हटल्यार आतां बोंडलाच्यान आमकां एकूच जे वाड आसा तो रोड सुद्दां कंडिशन बरें ना, पण PWDच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमकां तो रोड करून दिता म्हणून सांगलां आनी तेजें कामूय ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट जाल्लें आसा. आनी तेजें काम कंप्लीट जाता म्हटल्यार 1-2 म्हयने तरी वयतले, पूण तेच्या पयलीं लोकांक आमकां खूब प्रॉब्लेम फेस जाले की मेन म्हटल्यार हेल्थाचें. कित्याक लोकांक थंयच्यान वचपाक आनी येवपाक प्रॉब्लेम जाले. आनी एक GSIDCन हांव तेंचे कडेन उलयल्लें आसा, ऑलरेडी टेंडरींग जाल्लें ब्रिजाचें. आतां तो तेंच्यांनी प्लॅन्स काडून म्हाका परत रोखडोच हें करून दिता म्हणून सांगलां. तो मातशी हायट वाडटली तेची आनी तेचो अमावंट जो आसा वाडटलो. सो ते बेगीच्या बेगीन तेचें हें करून ब्रीज आमकां हें करून दिता म्हणून सांगलां.
Today, in this special story, we will highlight the issues faced by the farmers. At many places across the state, many fields are seen flooded and filled with debris. The field waterway is blocked, garbage thrown, due to which the farmers are facing a lot of problems. Farmers can't cultivate fields. The field soil fertility is also destroyed. The fields are getting flooded and much more. Here at HCN, we spoke to some of the agriculturists and also a farmer over this issue.
And even the developmental works, the so-called development, I think those who have undertaken development have not exactly understood what development is. They thought development is concretization. Even the drains, naturally the drains that we had were very good and very efficient. There was percolation of water as well. The water that was going, seeping inside, and the groundwater was getting recharged, even though the water is running through the drains. But now the drains are concretized, so there is no seepage. There is the width that was the natural width has been it has been narrowed down, so the water has no proper place to. Just below the Chikali church, there is one junction. Okay, as you go upwards to the church, that drain is there. So the entire water is flowing, the runoff from the hill that is coming from Regina Mundi. So that water comes over there, it has to go towards Vasco and then it turns and goes to the drainage system. We have a beautiful drainage system in Chikali, ancestral one. So it has to go through those water bodies and flow into river Zuari. But what happens is, at the church, below the church, this particular dump is there. So I believe while doing these drains, they have started the work and not completed it. The road that goes up, there's another drain that goes towards the fields, that is on the other side of the road. So the entire water that comes from the hill flows into the other area, that is the fields.
जावं POPचे जावं आनीक कसले पेंट्स तो सगळो केमिकल मिक्स आसता पळय तो शेतांनी घातल्या कारणान आमकां आमची सॉयल पिड्यार जाता कित्याक मोस्टली इन रेनी सिजन ते उदकान मिक्स जाता आनी आमची जी फर्टायल लँड आसता पळय ताका खुबसो इफेक्ट पडटा आनी ह्या हातून आमकां कंप्लिटली आमची शेतां रोवपाक मेळना.
ओके, तुमकां कितलो लॉस सफर जाता हेज्या
आतां
खातीर?
लॉस म्हळ्यार पळय आमी एक तकलेन धरून शेत रोयता की जेन्ना रोयता आमी 100% रोयता पूण आमकां जेन्ना तो खरेंच क्रॉप काडूंक वयता पळय तेन्ना आमची अपेक्षा आसता 90% तरी मेळपाक जाय बट तितलो जायना तो येता एक 60-70%. सो आमकां ऑलमोस्ट एक 25-30% लॉस जाता. आमची शेतां रोयता तेकाच आमचो तो डॅब्रीज इफेक्ट जाता. तेच सांगलें तुमकां जशें पयलीं सांगलां की जी डॅब्रीज डंप करता पळय तातूंत तो मोस्टली कन्स्ट्रक्शन मॅटेरियल आसता आनी तातूंत कॅमिकल्स आसता. सो फॉर दॅट रिजन ते आमकां प्रॉब्लम जाता.
On Thursday morning, locals from Raya came out in protest against the alleged illegal hill cutting taken place at Bachbat in Raya for an illegal proposed residential complex. The locals called the TCB authorities as well as the Panchayat officials at the site and held a joint inspection. Locals have demanded immediate stop order and action against those involved in illegal activity.
ग्रामसभा वचपा मागीर पयलीं सदां थिंग टेक्निकल ग्राउंडाचेर ती भायर उडोवपा जाय आसलोली. Point number 18, the ownership of the property shall be verified by the licensing body before issuing the license. So this is the problem. वैद्य पंचायत कितें म्हणटाय TCP दाळां पास करूंक पडटा पूण TCP सांगता ओनरशीप हें चॅक करपा जाय म्हूण पंचायतीन. सो ओनरशीप चॅक करता आसतना इतले दुसरे सर्वे सब डिव्हिजन आसतना पासून पंचायतीन कॅश इश्यू केले. Point 1. Point 2, हो जो सेलर आहा ह्या प्लॉटाचो वेंडर तो तलाक, वेंडर इज तलाक आनी परचेसर इज वचून हो. हांव वचो फॉर्म 114 सगळो दाखयता तुमकां. हे फॉर्म 114 तेजेर दोगांचेय नांव ना.
म्हाका एक सांग, तुमी आयज इन्स्पेक्शन केलां न्ही हांगा, कितें ऑब्जर्वेशन केलां, कितें ऑब्जर्व जालां?
सद्याक हांव कांय सांगूंक शकना. आमचे ऑब्जर्वर डिस्कस करता तुका सांगता कितें.
बट इन्स्पेक्शन केलां तुमी, कंप्लेन कितें आशिल्ली?
कंप्लेन इलिगल हिल कटिंग केलें म्हणटा इलिगल हें केलें.
ओके,
कंप्लेन फायल केल्ली.
हय,
अजून दिवना फायल पूण तांच्यांनी पंचायतीन इन्स्पेक्शन हें मागलेलें, इन्स्पेक्शन मागलेलें.
हय, तुमच्या निदर्शनाक कितें आयलां सांगा.
कटिंग हांवें ऑलरेडी मेजरमेंट घेतलें आसा. हांव मागीर ऑफिसान वचून कितें आसा पयलीं सांगता. हांव काय आतां काय सांगना.
ऑब्जर्वेशन घेता
ना आतां कशें सांगतलो तुका हांव. आतां काय सांगूंक शकना.
तुमचें नांव कितें?
मला नितीन नितेंद्र नितेंद्र हां सांगू.
रिगार्डिंग कंप्लेंट मरे ते आनी विजिटर्स इल्लीगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन कित्याक ते डॉक्युमेंट्स नाही तेगे इन्स्पेक्शन हाडले मरे 2-3 नोटीसी काडलेले TCP इन्स्पेक्शन करपा म्हणून जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन TCP येईल ना. लास्ट आमी नोटीस धाडले मग आमी डेट कन्वेन्स करता बा तुमी ये म्हणून आयज डेट केल्ली. रिगार्डिंग इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन म्हणल्यार कितें सायड इन्स्पेक्शन हिंग सगळे डॉक्युमेंट सारखे ना प्रॉपर्टी आनी तेणी हे केला म्हणून
हिल कटिंग.
काय ना.
बट TCPन कितें ऑब्जर्व केला ते
TCPन ऑब्जर्व पळय TCP कितें आहा तें आमी दिल्लें. TCPन कितें ऑब्जर्व केलें तेणी बरें नेलो. बेस्ड ऑन TCPच्या हेजेर आमकां मिटिंग घालतले तेजे वयल्यान आमी कितें एक्ट करतले.
तुमी ग्रामसभा अशें परत मांडटले काय
ते आतां मिटिंगे बॉडी जाले उपरांत सांगतलो आजून सांगपाक जावपाना कित्याक तेगे रिपोर्ट आहा तो तितून घालपाचो अदरवायज ग्रामसभा घेवपाचो तो हांव काय सांगूंक शकना
कितें हो प्रोजेक्ट कसलो प्रोजेक्ट येता हांगा कितें येता नेमकें
फ्लॅट्स येता हिंगा 48 फ्लॅट्स कितें येता रेसिडेन्शियल.
The Kolwa police arrest 2 in connection to the theft case in Benaule. As per police report, 2 theft cases were on a single day that were reported by 2 accused. The robbers broke open the houses of Alva Rodriguez and Mukesh Kumar, both residing as Vasavado in Benaule. Both the robberies were reported few weeks ago. Raya is the first village to cut and bless the first corn every year. This ritual took place on Thursday morning. It's a proud moment for the people of Raya to celebrate the feast of Our Lady of Snow on the 5th of August every year with festive fervor. The feast started with the cutting of the first corn in Goa and offer it to Our Lady of Snow. The rest of Goa cut their first corn after this feast, and most of the churches do this on the 15th of August, the day of Assumption of Mother Mary into heaven. The feast symbolizes the act of seeking the blessing from the Almighty for a bountiful harvest season. The Christian life and the Hindu bread from Raya as well as cut their first corn to offer it to the god during the installation of Ganpati statue at the festival.
देवान दिल्ल्या देण्या खातीर पवित्र सभा चड करून दिनवासनेचे बलिदान भेटून देवाक आर्गां दिता. हे दिनवासनेचे अतित्पूर्ण विधान त्या बलिदानाचे समरुपणीक गितां आनी स्तोत्रां. आयज आमी किरीतपणी हांगा एकठांय जाल्यार नव्या कोणसाची कावटून करूं. गोंयचे पयलें पीक हे आमच्या फिरगोजेन आमी कातुत्ता आसतना ह्या देवाक दिनवासूया सृश्टीचो तो दोनी ताच्याच बरेपणान उदारपणान आमी जेवता खाता. तर ह्या नव्या कोणसाचेर आशिर्वाद मागता आसतना सगळ्या शेतकामती भाव भयणांक जावं आमची गांवची गोंयची इंडियेची आनी आख्या संवसाराची तांकां बरें पीक मेळूंक तांच्या वावराक बरी उमेद लागूंक आमी मागता आसतना हे मागणेचे रितीक आमी फुडें व्हरुया आनी ह्या वेळार देवाचें उतर आमी आयकुया.
आयज आमी राया फिरगोजकारां सगळीं व्हडा उमेदीन आमचे नेवी साहेबनीची परब मनयता. सगळे आमच्या राज्याच्या गांवच्या भाव भयणांक हांव परबी दिता. आयज आमच्या फादरान आशीर्वाद घालून शेताचेर सगळें बरें पीक ह्या वर्साचें बरी पीक जावं सगळीं बरी पीक जावं आनी बरें लोकांक बरें फळ पिकोवं. सो सगळ्यांक हांव आनी एक फावटी रायच्या गांवच्या भाव नेवी साहेबनीच्या नांवान पुनून परबी पडयता.
मातशें नांव सांग तुमचें.
पयलींची परंपरा कितें
ही आमची पयलींची परंपरा की जे पणस आमी पयलें रोयता राय गोंयची आमच्या राय गांव आनी सायबीच्या नांवान बरी पिकावळ जावं सायबीच्या नांवान आमी तें पयलें ते आमचो फादर ते आशिर्वाद मागणें करून आशिर्वाद घाता आनी बरी आख्ख्या गांवाक त्या गोंयांत सगळी बरी पिकावळ जावपाक तेजी आशिर्वाद घाता. सो ती आमची पयलीं सान आहा आजी सान पयलीं सान जाल्ली आहा आमची. सो ती आमी पाडीत येयलो आसा आनी ह्या वर्सा आमकां आनी उमेद आसा की कित्याक आमकां बरे भशेन कोंकणी करूंक मेळ्ळा म्हणून.
And now for the weather forecast. Goa has received heavy rainfall at various places on Thursday and will continue to receive rainfall as isolated places during the next 24 hours. This is what the IMD has forecasted.
It further stated that areas such as Ponda, Walpoi, Sangye recorded 3 centimeters rainfall, while Mapsa, Kape, Old Goa recorded 2 centimeters of rainfall in last 24 hours. Here is a detailed report of the rainfall recorded in millimeters across Goa. Perne 3.8 mm, Mapsa 9 mm, Panjim 13.4 mm, Old Goa 18.8 mm, Saklim 26.4 mm, Ponda 13.8 mm, Murmugaon Davolim 8 mm, Margaon 8.3 mm, Kepe 9.8 mm, Sangye 12.8 mm, and Kankon 14.2 mm.
Recently, a joint inspection was held at the KTC bus stand over several issues. Now, on Thursday morning, the CCP held an encroachment trial at the KTC bus stand in Panjim, wherein they removed all the fruit and flower vendors who were doing their business. Some vendors stated that they are paying rent to the KTC. Well, that's all we have in today's news bulletin. For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at HCN Goa, or stay alerted by following us on Twitter and Facebook at Oharaldo Goa. Until then, goodbye and take care.